Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you how to make a Minecraft server on 1.20.1 and you'll be hosting this on your own computer. To begin, you want to do new folder and then name this Minecraft server. It doesn't matter what you name that. Now open this up, it should be like that. Then you want to make yourself over to that URL. That will be in the comment section, in the description, and you can just click on that and then you'll be here. So then you want to click on this download Minecraft server.jar item. It will take you here and then you click download. Mine has downloaded. So then after that you want to put that server.jar file into your Minecraft server thing you just made. So I'll just be taking it over here and putting it there. Now this is very important. You need to copy this address. So copy that. Now you will new text document and name this start or something. It doesn't really matter. This is how you'll be starting your server. So then you paste in that command. So now this is a very important part. You need to make sure this file name links up with server.jar, whatever yours is called. So mine is server.jar, and then you need to create this into a batch file. So to do that you go file, save as, start.bat, and you see it's come up here with a little logo. Now you can just delete that text folder. So this is how you'll be starting your server. So if you like to just double click on here, it will create all the different folders you need for your server, just like that, and it's done. Now it won't let us run our server yet. It will just crash the second we start it, because it just crashed because we haven't accepted the end user license agreement, the EULA. So if we come here, this is false, so we want true. This will tell Minecraft we are abiding by the rules of servers. And then we close, and now you can start your Minecraft server. So here is the Minecraft server. It should take around a minute to load in for the first time. You can see it's making all these different folders here, and now it's loading in spawn area. That's good. So this is all helpful, so just let that do its thing. Now if you want to change any properties, you can go into this properties folder. See, you can have loads of things to do here. You can I don't know, you can see here, you can change the message of the day. So you can do a test server for YouTube. So that will now be the little message. You can change the max players to 100. You can I don't know, you can change the spawn protection to 0. That's like, if you're not operator you can't break blocks in that area. So now you file and save this. Just play around with that on your own. So now the server started. You see here it started. The way you want to stop your server is just type in stop. We'll save everything and then it's done. So now to get your server properties to work, just restart your server. That's what I was doing. So now it should be quite a lot quicker this time because it doesn't have to load in all the things. it's just getting them from the file. Right, look, it's already done. So now make your way over to your Minecraft 1.20.0. So now, the way you want to join your own server is add server, local host. Now note, this will only work on the same computer as it's being hosted from. So if you refresh, scroll right down to the bottom and you can see the server is here. A test server for YouTube, 100 players, and you can join it. But this will only work on the server on the same computer you're hosting it from. If you want to, I'm not sure why that's not working. Let me try rejoin it real quick. There we go. So now we are on the server. Just give it a second. See, it's nice little server. Nice bit of lava there. You can do stuff here. So now this server is just a survival. But this isn't very helpful because you can only join it on your own computer. If you say had a friend around at your house and they had their own computer, you could get them to join your server by typing in cmd and then ipconfig, all one word. Scroll up to this IPv4 address. You want to copy this address and give it to them. When they paste that address in, they will come to your Minecraft server. But this doesn't really help because if your friend is at their house and they want to join, they still can't. To do that, you have to do an advanced thing with your router called port forwarding. And if you guys like this video and you want me to show you how to do that, I will make another video on it. Just comment if you want to do it and leave a like maybe. Anyway, that is how you make your own Minecraft server, and I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you for watching.